alert happened.
This is the legendary KLZ, AM 560, KLZ HD Denver, and online streaming at 560thesource.com. Since 1922, KLZ Denver.
You're listening to the Experience Pros radio show, where business revolutionaries Angel Tussey and Eric Raymer, best-selling authors of Lists That Saved My Business and founders of Experience Pros University, are inspiring you to get your business right. Let's join Angel and Eric for today's program.
Hello and welcome to the Experience Pros radio show with Angel and Eric. Thanks for taking time out of your business day to join us for ours. We're here to remind you that small business is big business and your business is our business.
Absolutely. We are so excited. This is, we're kind of wrapping up this week. Have you ever had...
No, we're just starting this week.
You know what? Have you ever had a week where you look at your calendar and you say, we're going to have a week today?
Yeah. Yeah.
That was us this morning.
Last couple of weeks, actually.
Today we are going to fit a week's worth of business and work into today, and we'll probably do it again tomorrow. We are leaving this week. We're going to go to Dallas.
We are going to Dallas, and if you know any of the great businesses down in Dallas, you might want to give them a heads up.
I shouldn't say we're leaving, because we're not like going anywhere. We're not moving.
I got in trouble for saying moving. No, we're expanding.
We're expanding.
That's right.
Eric and I are traveling this week. We're visiting. We're going to be visiting the great state of Texas, going down to Dallas with Extreme Relationship Management.
Yep.
They are expanding their structured networking events, which they've done all over the Denver metro area, and now they're taking it national.
They are taking it national, and Dallas is just the first of many, many cities that Extreme Relationship Management is going to be going to and sharing their networking. I call it scientific networking because there is a science to it. There really is a value to everyone. Have you ever gone to a networking event, come home with a bunch of business cards, realize there's only really one or two that you're interested in, and thrown all the rest away? Stop it. Don't throw those away. They all have value, and Extreme Relationship Management can tell you how and why.
Absolutely. They teach you how to meet more people in half the time, and they're going to now be teaching everybody in Dallas.
Yep.
If you want to send your Frank Circle, if you've got any associates or networks or clients and business associates in the Dallas market, you can sign up. You can follow the events at Relationship Builders Dallas. It's the meetup site, Relationship Builders Dallas. There are 4 events going on over a 2-day period. We're broadcasting out of Dallas. We are doing structured networking, creating a leadership team down there. It's going to be uber exciting. And Richard Oppenheim actually posted a fun picture on Facebook this morning.
Yeah, he says those boots were made for walking. Where are they walking to?
Yeah, most of the time the boots I wear are not made for walking.
Yeah,
They're
right.
more like stand and look pretty.
Mm-hmm.
But those ones are, although I will not be walking to Dallas.
No,
we're
you
flying.
don't have to. That's all right. We'll let you go into the luggage compartment, and everything will be just fine.
Excuse me?
What?
You're going to let me go into the luggage compartment?
Did I say that?
Is that what you said?
I'm
Is that
so
what
sorry.
I heard?
I don't know that I meant to say that. What I think I meant to say was, yes, we'll be flying to Dallas.
Yeah. You better backpedal, mister, because I've got boots.
You do have boots, and Rich did take a great picture. If you'd like to see that, go check out Facebook, facebook.com/experiencepros. While you're there, don't forget to click like and tell 10 friends about the show. We are starting a revolution in how people treat people in business.
Absolutely, and it all comes together here on the radio show, on our Facebook page. Have you downloaded the Experience Pros Radio app?
I have.
You can listen to all the podcasts. You can stream the show live from anywhere in the country. My husband sometimes calls me and says, "Hey, Angel, I'm at Home Depot. I'm listening to you."
Wow.
Really? They're playing our show at Home Depot?
No,
He's like, no, it's on my phone.
Yeah.
You know what? That's all right. I'll take it.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. And it's a fantastic thing. We've got a great show lined up for you today. And I'm super excited about our next guest because she's going to help you, Angel, deal with me.
Excuse me?
No, she is. She's going to help you learn how to deal with me. And
is
after
she
11
coming in
years,
live?
no.
Because I could use that.
I think that this is going to be a fantastic interview because Audrey Nelson is going to be joining us talking about how to deal with difficult people.
Oh, That is. I do need your help, Audrey.
I told you. So don't go anywhere. Keep your radios turned up. And in fact, while you're turning up the radio, you might want to take notes on the next 3.5 minutes of people that we do business with, because you need to do business with them as well. We'll be right back.
The Experience Pros are here to help you get your business right. To learn more, visit experiencepros.com.